UPFA MP Mahindanand Alutkamage noted today that the no-confidence motion against the Prime Minister and the government will be tabled in Parliament on the 9th of June. Meanwhile, UPFA party leaders held a meeting with the President last evening.
We discussed contesting the election as an alliance. We have informed parties in the alliance in writing to submit their nominations at the district level to me, as has been the practice in the past. The matter of how the former president will be involved in the UPFA at the upcoming election was also discussed.
As a result of the discussions held, all the leaders met with Mahinda this morning. It was a decisive decision. We are discussing how we will all work together as leaders of the United People's Freedom Alliance at the upcoming election and how we will muster support. Meanwhile, MP Mahindanand Alutkamage says that 85 MPs have signed the no-confidence motion that is to be presented on the 9th of June.
We hope to present the no-confidence motion in the Prime Minister and the government in Parliament on the 9th of June. As of last night, 85 MPs have signed the motion. We will submit this to the Speaker and defeat them. After they are defeated, the President will have to either give the Prime Ministership to us and ask us to form a government or to dissolve Parliament.
The outsiders such as Vimal Veeravansa and Dinesh Gunawardena have joined in the SLFP as well and are speaking on behalf of the fascist force that prevailed during the time of Mahinda Rajapaksa. This was a rogue parliament. It was annulled by the mandate that was given. The president did not dissolve parliament out of sympathy, or he would have called for an election and dissolved it. He did not do this because he thought justly that they could also be brought in to complete some part of the task and they could be released thereafter. Now they are coming out and talking like big shots, saying they will leave by force. They cannot kick aside the people's mandate in this way and act the way they want.